And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 114. Let me show the color temperature. I've got a very warm image right here, and we can copy that. So duplicate the image, I go to colors, color temperature, make sure the preview is checked, and then you can see the effect in real time. Both of these sliders are important. There's a certain relation between them, and you can see them maybe even like a balance. So if I wanted to turn this into a cold image, I would go up very far with the original temperature and down with the intended. But if I go up with both values, there is not much of a change. And if I go down with both values, it's the same. And this is what I mean by balance. You have to balance out both colors against one another. In this case, if I wanted to have an extreme example of turning a warm image into a cold one, let me even go to the max for the original and a very far down with the intended. And this is how I can use the color temperature in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.